So this is how to buy Curve Crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go down to the middle in the bottom and select on the magnifying glass icon. Then at the top where it says search by name or symbol, press that and then start typing in Curve. Once it's here, press it. Then at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Then on this page, you can go to the top right if you want and choose the order type. I will just keep it at market order in Canadian dollars for this example. Then on the bottom where there's a bunch of numbers, you can type in how much of the crypto you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to buy $7 worth, you would just type in 7 and then press review. Then you can review the transaction by seeing how much Curve you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, just go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy Curve crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.